Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, we will do more questions from chapter vector, finding unit vector and finding angle between two vectors. So let's see it. For the given vector, a vector is equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and b vector is equals to minus I cap plus 4j cap minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Find the unit vector in the direction of a vector a vector plus b vector. So first of all we have to add a vector and b vector. So after adding we get I vector plus k vector. Here minus j vector and this side plus j vector get cancelled out. So we get I vector plus j vector. And after taking magnitude we get root over 2. Then we have to find unit vectors. So hence unit vector along a vector plus v vector is equals to a vector plus v vector upon magnitude of a vector plus b vector. So we get 1 upon root 2 I vector plus k vector. So answer is 1 upon root over 2 I vector plus 1 upon root over 2 k vector. The next question is find the angle between two vectors a vector and b vector with magnitude root 3 and 2 respectively, having such that the a vector dot b vector is equals to root over 6. Here in this question we have to find angle theta. So magnitude is given, a vector magnitude of a vector is equals to root over 3 and the magnitude of b vector is equals to 2 and the dot product of a vector and b vector is equals to root over 6. So let theta be the angle between a vector and a b vector. Using formula cos theta is equals to a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a vector and b vector. So in this question everything is given. A vector dot b vector is equals to root over 6, then root over 6 upon root over 3 into 2. Then after solving we get 1 upon root 2. So when theta is 45 degree we get 1 upon root 2. So theta is equals to pi by 4. Question number 8 is find the values of a for which the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap and I cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap are perpendicular, second parallel. So two conditions are given. We have to find it. First one is perpendicular and second one is parallel. So let a vector is equals to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap and b vector is equals to I cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap. If a vector is perpendicular to b vector, then we have to take a vector dot b vector dot product of this two vector is equals to 0. 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap dot I cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap is equals to 0. After solving, we get a is equals to minus 15. If a vector is parallel to b vector, then a vector is equals to lambda b vector. 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap is equals to lambda I cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap. Then after comparing I cap, we get lambda is equals to 3 and we have to find a vector a. So 2 is equals to lambda a after comparing j. So we get a is equals to 2 upon 3. Lambda we get lambda is equals to 3. So a is equals to 2 upon 3. So if a vector is perpendicular to b vector, then we get a is equals to minus 15. And if a vector is parallel to b vector, then we get a is equals to 2 upon 3. So that's all. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it.